Hi there. It's Professor Monty, and we're multiplying polynomials of several variables. And the idea is we already know how to multiply. We multiply as usual. Remember, though, if you multiply two things with the same base, you keep the base and add the exponents. Let's look at a couple examples. So I've got these two monomials multiplied together. Remember, essentially, I'm going to use the commutative property and the associative property to say, okay, you know what? Let's move this 5 over here. We're going to multiply the 3 times the 5. And I'm going to associate those together. Then I'm going to multiply the x squared times the x to the 6th and the y to the 4th times the y. And that's essentially all I'm doing. Let's multiply those together. I know here we get a 15. Here, remember, we add the exponents. 2 plus 6 is 8, so we get x to the 8th power. And here we add the exponents. That's a 1, so we add those, we get y to the 5th. That's our answer. That's all we do. Not too difficult, pretty simple, straightforward. If we have something like this, now I have a binomial times a binomial. I'm just going to FOIL the way I've always done. So I'm going to multiply those together. I'm going to get 2a times 3a, so 6a squared. 2a times negative 4b, so negative 8ab. Just leave it that way. And the b times 3a, 3ab, I'm just going to leave it in the same order as far as alphabetical order goes. And then over here, the b times negative 4b is negative 4b squared. And what did I do? I just did FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. Oftentimes, in this case, those are like terms. I can put them together. So I'm going to get 6a squared. The negative 8 plus the 3 is negative 5. Keep the ab. And then minus 4b squared. No more like terms. I can't go any further. That's my answer. So I may need to FOIL. I may need to use the distributive property. Whatever the case is, I just multiply as I always do. Don't get confused or frustrated or anxious about there being more than one variable. Treat them the same way. You may need to do this, but that's about the only difference. So don't be scared by these. Just practice them and you'll get them pretty quickly.